Our eyes, the windows to the world, are a precious gift that allows us to experience our surroundings' beauty and complexity. Your daily habits impact your eye health. Maintaining optimal eye health is paramount to our overall well-being, yet it's often overlooked until issues arise. Now consider this: the saying, "You are what you eat," rings particularly true when it comes to our ocular wellness. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in preserving our vision. The intricate design of our eyes requires a delicate balance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to function optimally. When it comes to maintaining and improving our vision, fruits rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants are an essential part of this equation. Research has even shown that specific nutrients can protect against common eye conditions such as cataracts, macular degeneration, and dry eyes. When it comes to nutrition, certain fruits emerge as superheroes for eye health. These fruits, equipped with an arsenal of vitamins, antioxidants, and other essential compounds, protect and repair our vision. Let's take a closer look and discover the fruits that are the superheroes for our eye health. But before we do so, just do me this one small but significantly very important favor. It will take only just a few seconds of your time. As you're seated there watching this video, I'd like you to reach out for your device, and on it you'll see a thumbs up symbol. Click on it. Though it might seem like a small thing, but clicking on that thumbs up button carries immense significance. By clicking on it, not only are you showing your appreciation for the information contained within this video, but you're also helping to bring this content to the attention of other viewers. Imagine that little click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence many others. It's a small act, but its impact can be massive, spreading this valuable knowledge far and wide. Then, once this video has ended and you've absorbed all the information it has to offer, what then? Well, don't keep it to yourself. The power of knowledge is in its distribution and in its sharing. I urge you to share this video across your social networks, through your emails, and on all other platforms. In this age of information overload, quality content can often get lost. By sharing, you're ensuring that this valuable information reaches as many people as possible, contributing to a collective increase in knowledge. Now, you might be asking, is that all? Not at all. There's another step you need to take to stay updated with all the informative videos that I'm posting. Look out for the subscribe button. By clicking on it, you're not just subscribing to a channel, but you're also joining a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated. But don't stop at subscribing, there's more. Notice the little bell icon next to the subscribe button. That's the notification bell. Click on it and then select all. By doing this, you're ensuring that you never miss out on any new videos that are posted. Oh, and by the way, if you watch this video from your television, you need to perform all these actions from your mobile phone or your computer. You may now wonder, why should I subscribe? The answer is straightforward. Subscribing to my channel doesn't cost you anything. It's absolutely free. Moreover, my channel is a treasure trove of information on how to live a healthy lifestyle. You'll gain access to a plethora of healthy recipes with easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions. These recipes are not just delicious, they're also designed to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Apart from this, you will learn about superfoods, those nutrient powerhouses that can boost your health and energy. I don't just tell you what they are, but also explain their health benefits. Knowledge like this empowers you to make conscious, informed decisions about your diet. Furthermore, this channel seeks to educate you on how to listen to your body. Our bodies are constantly communicating with us, sending us signs that tells us when something is off balance. By being part of my channel, you'll learn to interpret these signs, to understand when all is not well within your system. This knowledge is invaluable. It allows you to take proactive steps in taking care of your health. Now, it's not just about me talking, I want to hear from you as well. Your comments, suggestions and queries all enrich this platform. They help me understand your needs better and give me an idea of how to curate content that's more relevant to you. So don't hesitate. Make a comment. It could be a question, a suggestion, or just a simple greeting. Remember, this channel is a dialogue, not a monologue. So, are you ready? Ready to be part of this knowledge-packed community? Go ahead, make a comment. I would love to hear from you. First on our list of eye health superheroes is the vibrant and juicy orange. The orange is a nutrition-packed fruit, rich in vital nutrients that are particularly significant for the well-being of our eyes. One of the key nutrients in oranges is vitamin C. This water-soluble vitamin is essential for the synthesis of collagen, a structural protein that provides strength and elasticity to various tissues, including those in our eyes. Collagen is a key component of the cornea, the transparent front part of the eye. A sufficient intake of vitamin C ensures that the cornea maintains its health and function, allowing us to see the world in all its vibrant detail. But the benefits of oranges don't stop at collagen synthesis. The antioxidants present in oranges, including flavonoids and carotenoids, provide robust protection against oxidative stress in the eyes. Oxidative stress, caused by free radicals from exposure to sunlight, pollution, and other environmental factors. This can lead to cellular damage in the eyes. Oranges also come packed with anti-inflammatory properties that can play a significant role in preventing and alleviating discomfort associated with dry eyes. Inflammation in the tear glands or on the eye surface can lead to insufficient tear production, resulting in dryness and irritation. Including oranges in your diet can contribute to maintaining a healthy tear film and overall eye comfort. But the eye health benefits of oranges extend even further. The vitamin C in oranges plays a vital role in supporting the immune system. A robust immune system is crucial for preventing and managing eye infections, ensuring that the eyes remain shielded from microbial threats that could compromise their well-being. So, make sure to add some oranges to your diet to reap these eye health benefits. Next up, we have the tropical delight, papaya. This fruit is a superstar when it comes to eye health, primarily due to its high beta-carotene content. Beta-carotene is found in certain fruits and vegetables, and in the body, it gets converted into vitamin A, a crucial nutrient for our eyes. But why is vitamin A so important? Well, it plays a pivotal role in preserving the cornea, the outermost layer of the eye. A healthy cornea is essential for clear vision as it helps to focus light onto the retina. Without sufficient vitamin A, the cornea can become dry, leading to clouded vision or even total loss of vision in severe cases. In addition to beta-carotene, papaya also contains a wealth of enzymes, particularly one called papain. Papain is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. When there is inflammation in the eyes, it can contribute to discomfort and irritation. Consuming papaya can help alleviate these symptoms, making it a soothing addition to your diet. Now, you might be wondering, how do I incorporate papaya into my diet? Well, the good news is that papaya is incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it fresh, perhaps in a fruit salad or as a snack on its own. Papaya also makes a delicious addition to smoothies, providing a tropical twist. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try it in a salsa with some lime juice and chili for a sweet and spicy kick? Papaya is a fantastic choice. Its benefits for eye health are significant, and with so many ways to enjoy it, there's no reason not to add a bit of this tropical fruit to your diet. So, don't forget to incorporate some papaya into your diet to boost your eye health. Oranges and papayas aren't the only fruits beneficial for our eye health. There's a whole cornucopia of nature's bounty that can help keep our eyes in top shape, like strawberries. These delightful red berries are packed with vitamin C just like oranges. Moving on, we have kiwis. These fuzzy fruits may be small, but they don't skimp on health benefits. Kiwis are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, two mighty antioxidants that are found in high concentrations in our eyes. They help shield our eyes from harmful blue light, reduce the risk of chronic eye diseases, and maintain healthy cells and tissues within our eyes. Next up, avocados. These creamy fruits are a fantastic source of vitamin C and E, both of which are essential for eye health. Vitamin E protects our eyes from oxidative damage that can lead to cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Avocados also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, reinforcing their status as a superfruit for eye health. Now let's talk about blueberries. These tiny berries are a powerhouse of antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color. When it comes to eye health, they help to boost blood circulation in the eyes and ward off eye fatigue and strain. There is also guava. This tropical fruit is brimming with vitamin A, which is vital for maintaining the health of our corneas and conjunctival membranes. Vitamin A also enhances low-light vision and keeps dry eyes at bay. Guava's vitamin C content adds to its eye protective qualities. Finally, we have the humble banana. Bananas might not be the first fruit that comes to mind when you think about eye health, but they're a good source of vitamin A, a key nutrient for maintaining good vision and preventing conditions like night blindness. They're also rich in vitamin C and magnesium, which contribute to overall eye health. Incorporating these fruits into your diet provides a wide array of nutrients necessary for maintaining and enhancing eye health. From antioxidants to vitamins and essential minerals, these fruits offer a tasty and nutritious way to protect your eyes. Remember, variety is key. So try to include a range of these fruits in your diet to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your eyes need. In conclusion, it's undeniable that incorporating a mix of fruits into our diet is a proactive measure in safeguarding our eyesight. These natural allies in our quest for healthy vision not only protect our eyes from potential damage, but also contribute to their repair and maintenance. Remember, your eyes are your windows to the world. Let's take care of them by making mindful dietary choices. Thank you for watching and stay healthy. Before we wrap up this enlightening journey, I want to express my sincere gratitude for your time and interest. It has been a pleasure sharing this journey of health and wellness with you. Your comments, thoughts and experiences are invaluable, so don't hesitate to leave them down below in the comments section. Sharing this video with your loved ones might inspire them to embark on their own health journey. Remember, staying informed is the first step towards a healthier, happier life. However, it's essential to note that the information provided here is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. We all have unique dietary needs and health conditions, so before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, please consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Therefore, use this information as a starting point. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. So until my next video, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.